Good morning, guys. It is Monday, the 1st of October already. I can't believe it. We are now on our way to our house because, yeah, our walk-in closet should be delivered this morning. So that's why we are going this early. Oh my god, look at the sun. Love it. It's so pretty. Ew. Waar is mijn koffie? Is hij daar nog?
Yeah.
Bring me my coffee. I'm loving the fact that the sun in the morning is shining in the living room. So, the walk-in closet arrived this morning. And yeah, there are all the packaging. This is not everything because we didn't order the entire walk-in closet just yet. We were not quite sure if we wanted also this wall or just from here till here. There is still not one room that is completely 100% ready because the little things always take so much time. Well, hello there. Hey guys. So today it is October 6th? 7th? 6th? Okay. It is Saturday, and in the meanwhile, we got married. Formally. I don't know how you call it, formally or for the law, or on Tuesday, on October 2nd. And we're now at our house, and we're going to have a little bit of a party. But just his parents are coming over. My parents, my brother, his brother, and his girlfriend. Just us, and then next year we will have our wedding in summer, hopefully. And hubby is decorating everything. How pretty are these flowers? Oh my god, so cute. Can't wait till the walk-in closet is finished so I can finally put my stuff there and just see how it looks and organize everything. So very excited for that. Are you excited for the walk-in closet?
Yeah.
So yesterday our television came in. We're probably gonna, well, no, we're definitely gonna hang it up the wall. Also yesterday our chairs came in. And we bought these ones, and I find them so cute. So cute. Where's my bag? Look at them. They're so simple, but like so modern. Tomorrow or tonight we're gonna order our dining table, and that is going to be like a wooden one and in an, yeah, what kind of color? Like a brownish? No, I don't know. It's not a very dark color, but it is also not very light brown. It's like a medium brown color, but it has like warm tones, but also cool tones, which is similar to our lemonade. It's similar to our lemonade flooring. So it's been like 4 hours later since I've talked to you, but I was busy with the walk-in closet with my dad, and we're not ready yet, but this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so when you walk in, it looks like this. We only did this side right now. La 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 la. So here will come another closet, and also on this side there will come 2 closets, and maybe a little one right over here and then here. I'm already so happy that there is something in this room. So yeah, next week on the weekend we will probably finish the whole walk-in closet. We don't have a lot of stuff left. So yeah, we will see. I'm very excited. I'm very tired. I worked pretty hard today. You did not. We are going to finish some little things, and it's getting already kind of dark outside. So yeah, we've done pretty enough for today, I think.
Sto bagno televisione.
We hadden zo'n tv.
Zo'n dressoir. Andiamo con il locale. Olie televisie, nee man.
Echt dom.
Zoiets of zo.